Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about the audio effects element on the left side panel. Now you'll notice when you click the audio effects element, you're going to find 5 different aspects of being able to edit your audio. Now this is only going to be relevant during the editing phase of your audio because you're going to be pulling these effects into your timeline. Now the first is called noise removal. Now with noise removal, what it does is it allows you to take out any consistent background noise that you have in your recording. And Camtasia actually automates this process. And what you'll do is you'll take the noise removal element, pull it down into the audio. When you do that, you're going to notice that it has properties. In that properties area, what you're going to do is click Analyze. That's going to generate an audio noise profile. And then, in effect, what you'll see is you'll notice that there's a gray bar underneath here. That means then that the noise removal is now in effect. Now, another thing that you can do in Camtasia is that you can level out the audio. Let's say that you have 2 different portions of your audio, or you pause the audio and then you record it, and you just happen to speak louder in the second one than you did the first one. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to actually pull this volume leveling element into the timeline. And what you'll notice is that Camtasia does is it starts to level off the audio. It brings up the audio that's too low, and it brings down the audio that's too high. Of course, you can balance this inside of the properties area. Another great feature that Camtasia will do with your audio is that you can actually fade out your audio. So for example, you can pull the fade out audio, and what you'll notice is that this audio point actually starts to tail off the audio here at the end, so it will actually fade out. You can do the same thing in terms of fading in. And you'll notice that it fades in. Now, let's say that you wanted to start this earlier. You can bring this back earlier. If you want to do it later, you could bring it back. You can also change the clip speed. And this can be handy in case that you have a situation where you may have recorded audio and you may need to squeeze it into a tighter video frame than you originally planned. Well, what you can do is you can actually bring the audio into a clip. And what you can do is you can actually speed up your audio or slow down the audio. So for example, you'll see that the audio is about 1 minute and 20 seconds long. Let's say they really needed to be 1 minute and 30 seconds long. We could actually put that in there, and you'll see that the audio lengthens. You can actually do the opposite, and you can say, well, we really want the audio to be 1 minute and 10 seconds. And the audio slows down. And Camtasia will do this over the course of a portion of a piece of an audio or the entire audio that you have on the clip. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.